Welcome to the video tutorial series on WILA Webshop. Today we'll be talking about how to place and manage quotes and orders on the WILA Webshop. So we're just going to start off by ordering this BIU 003. And we're just going to go ahead and select the /2 in a quantity of 1. And then we're just going to scroll down here and add it to the shopping cart. And if you want to submit a quote request, you just go ahead and hit request quote. It's the same thing. We're just going to submit the order. And once we get to this page, all of your information should already be filled in. You should already be registered for Webshop, so this should auto-populate for you. So we'll just scroll down and continue on to step 3. And now it will ask you to choose an authorized service partner. If you've already done business with WILA in the past and are already set up with an authorized service partner, it should just default to that authorized service partner. In this case, we're using a test account, so we've just set it up as WILA as the authorized service partner. So we're just going to select WILA USA and continue on to step 4. And when you get to step 4, you'll be asked to select a payment method. There is a credit card option as well as an on-account option. On-account is really just reserved for WILA distributors and those who have established lines of credit with WILA. This is a test account, so just to keep things simple, we're just going to select on-account. There are also 2 reference lines. You can use, customer or project name, as well as a PO number. So I'm just going to make up a PO number for this one. And you also have the option to upload a file, which can be useful to upload part drawings for quote requests. But we're just going to skip this for now, and we're just going to submit the order. And so there you have it. The order has been submitted. This will go to the inside sales team so they can finish processing the order and send an order confirmation to you. So now that we've placed an order, we're just going to go up to our account and our orders and quotes tab and learn a little bit about how to look at existing quotes and orders and how to manage those. And once you get to the quotes and orders page, it's really pretty easy to navigate. Essentially, you have a chart with your existing quotes and orders, kind of like an Excel sheet, and you can sort by various categories and see the status or stage that each quote or order is in. So for instance, you can see this PO 10002. The order has been confirmed. And if you look one line below, you can see that PO 10002 quote says that the status is ordered. Now, one really nice feature in this is if you go and click on that order number, you can actually scroll down here and see what your shipment date is for this order. So this particular tool was in stock when it was ordered on May 30th. So it shows a ship date of May 30th. If the tool had not been in stock, then it would show whatever date was expected for the tool to ship. And one last nice little feature is you can always go down to the download section here and actually download the original order form. And if we go back to the quotes and orders page, just one nice last tool is there is actually a filter menu. So you can filter your pending quotes or orders, your requested quotes. You can filter by quote or by order. Really any options you might need to filter by, you should be able to find right here. And that's really all you need to know to start using Webshop. If you've watched all 3 videos, By now, you should know how to search for products and check their pricing, their lead time availability, and you should be able to place quotes and orders as well as manage those quotes and orders. So I hope you found these web shop tutorial videos useful. And like always, if you ever have any questions or are having any difficulty in web shop, please feel free to contact us directly, and somebody from the WILA USA team will be happy to help you.